Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about the Amazon Eero 6 Mesh Wi-Fi Extender, a simple yet powerful way to expand your home Wi-Fi coverage. If you've ever struggled with dead zones in your home, this extender is the perfect fix. It can add up to 1,500 square feet of fast, reliable Wi-Fi 6 coverage to your existing Eero mesh network, making sure every corner of your home gets strong and consistent internet. Setup couldn't be easier. Just plug it in, connect it through the Eero app, and you're ready to go in minutes. The app also lets you manage your network, check connected devices, and even set up parental controls with ease. Since it's powered by Wi-Fi 6, you'll notice smoother streaming, faster downloads, and better performance when multiple devices are connected. Whether it's gaming, video calls, or smart home devices, the Eero 6 handles it effortlessly. One of the best things about Eero is how seamlessly it works together. If you already have an Eero system, the extender simply joins the network and expands it. No complicated setup, no extra hassle. The sleek, compact design means it blends right into your home without standing out, and because it's from Amazon, you know it's built to work reliably with Alexa and all your connected devices. Overall, the Eero 6 Mesh Wi-Fi Extender is a simple, effective, and affordable way to eliminate weak signals and enjoy a truly connected home. Click the link below for the best price, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart home and tech reviews.